হচ্ছে না, তুই ক্যামেরা তুলে দিচ্ছিস। আমি তো সেটা তো বললাম প্রথমে। যাও দাদি দাদি সব যাও দাদি দাদি যাও রাস্তা से बढ़े जाओ इसको लेके जाओ अरे चलन আবার চলে রে ভাই বস শুনবি বাবু বস বাবু বস আমাকে জায়গাটা দাও না কোন জায়গাটা শুনি मुर्शिदाबाद में हिंसा में जो हिंदू विक्टिम हुआ है उनके साथ साफ देख सकते हैं कि राज्यपाल सीवी आनंद बोस मामला का শহরের সামনে দিয়ে भाई भाई ना भाई ना भाई धर 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 सुमित बस जा सुमित আমার জীবনের মতো বক্তব্য কি হয়েছে কি সমস্যা এটা আর বাংলা হ্যাঁ আবার কথা কম বল না লোক লাগবে এই কথা কম বল না দিদি বসেন আমার ওরা একটু সিনেমাটা যাবেন না
नेटवर्क हाथ दिन What they repeated was they want to go back at the earliest to their homes. Some deficiencies which they pointed out here, which the video then and there assured them that will be rectified. They will be given food, clothing, shelter, whatever is required. And more than that, the international organization Red Cross, the governor is the president of that. They have sent a team with whatever is support is to be given to the people. And some have been distributed here. So we will certainly see that all agencies are coordinated to see that, they go back to their places with protection as early as possible. I got a feeling that there is a kind of jingoistic attempt on the people to establish somebody's supremacy. One section of the community trying to intimidate another section, almost telling them you shut up or put up. That is not the way democracy should function. That is not the way democracy will function. We will certainly take action. Now I could hear straight from the mothers who are the sufferers, the children who also, they talk to me. I talk to the children also. What is happening there is bizarre to say the least. No civilized society can tolerate this. It is going to be a commitment to the people of Bengal. All steps will be taken to see that the road of violence is stemmed here. Violence and corruption. These are the two things which they are raised here. Nobody can live under fear. See, in a democracy like this, it's not theocratic supremacy which should be there. Nobody will be allowed to take the law in their hand. The feelings which are expressed by the women in particular will be taken note of seriously. All that a government can do, all that a government should do will be done. I will take it up with the appropriate authorities, with the state government and also the government of India. Menace of violence.